Idiot mechanic totals a Supra while out on a test drive.
No! No!
Ooh, big crash. Big crash. Poor Supra. That's such a nice car. I'd love to have one of those. Honda Civic blind turns into traffic from a shoulder. Ooh. Everyone is an idiot. What are they doing? Just running red lights. Straight into him. No time for... Oh! Wow, he's lucky that he didn't get stuck. I turn left now. Good luck, everyone. It's a pickup truck. And he stopped at an intersection. Lovely. What the hell happened there? What is that? That looks like a Vauxhall. He completely took that down that house. I hope there was no one in there because that looks bad. Blind turn causes car crash. Oh, those are bad conditions for a crash as well. Coming from Russia. just took out the back window with his head. Look at the dent. That's absolutely massive. Yeah, that's some speed. What the hell? Why couldn't he go slower? Build Ford tough. What's this guy trying? Is he trying to go over a ditch?
No fucking way.
He's gonna try again, isn't he? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. And he managed it, that's it.
Fucking way.
Crazy. Let's stop in the middle of the highway because I missed my exit. Yep. Clip coming from Poland. Let's see that again. Why did they just stop so aggressively? Civic owner tries to block bus of the right with...
Saio daqui nada, campeão. Nem ferrando, eu tô ganhando meu dia, eu tô trabalhando, tô ganhando meu dia. Se o cara tá atrapalhando aí, ó, Se tá
Okay,
atrasando
got
vocês,
the
é
civic
problema de
clock in the
vocês, não
bus.
posso fazer nada. Eu que não vou sair daqui. Agora vocês
Why
ficam
is it
aí
not
xingando o
moving?
motorista, falando merda pro motorista. Vai lá vocês lá, não tem macho aí? Vai lá e tira o cara lá, ué.
It's backing
Quem
up
tá
into
atrasado
it.
são vocês. Eu não, levanto 3 horas da manhã. Todo dia levanto 3 horas da manhã pra vir trabalhar. Agora se tem um arrombado desse aí atrapalhando, eu não posso fazer nada. Vocês vão lá e tiram ele do carro e enfiam o pau nele, ué. Poxa, eu não vou sair daqui não. Quem tá atrasado são vocês, não eu. Eita, porra, agora
The
o bicho
passengers
pega.
getting to him.
Eita, pegou no ovo essa aí. Rapaz, cê é louco, mano. Eita porra. Vai.
Don't try and fight a mob,
Só vou filmar.
because the mob will always win.
Sei de nada não, filho. Tá porra. Ai, mexe com o motorista.
Oh, now he
Desce.
goes away.
Toma. Ah, vai sair bravo agora, vai sair bravo
Nah.
do carro, ó.
He's got something more to say.
Sei de nada não, amigão. Sei de nada não, se vira com eles aí, ó. Sei de nada não. Tô saindo fora, fi. Tô saindo fora. Se vira com os passageiros aí, ó. Tchau. Fui. Fui.
What's this here? Rip my 2022 WRX. Whoa! My cornies.
Lights.
Yeah, those are very bright.
Motherfucking chickens.
Poultry truck. Wow, it just fully changed lanes. What the hell? Push this guy off the road.
Full breaker. Or a blockade or something. Whoa, whoa.
Crunch and run.
Oh, well, there we go. Oh my god.
Scrape the car.
No, it's fine, we got the dash cam. He's just leaving.
Holy shit. He probably can't pull over.
I'm gonna follow him. Gosh, I don't want the same thing to happen to me.
Yeah. That guy's like, are you fucking kidding me, dude? You just saw another one.
I'm gonna follow that guy and give him
Yeah, you should.
his contact number.
Alright, at least this guy's good.
That's why we got a dash cam.
Yeah.
He's gonna help him out. Idiot in the school bus. Okay, one-way bridge.
Tonight, try Natral, America's #1 drug
Pulls right up.
to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Natral melatonin gummies are made with clean ingredients and use 99% pure melatonin to help reset your natural sleep cycle for less interrupted sleep, so you can wake up
Mexican
feeling
standoff.
and rejuvenated. With Natral melatonin gummies, tonight you get a great night's sleep, so tomorrow you can live.
Oof. Is she gonna chase him down? Has he even got his plates? Yeah, get on his hood. argue for a bit. She's gonna pull a fast one. Yeah, there she goes. She just takes off. Oh, she's fuming. She's in something fast. Yeah, that sounds nice. The woman knows how to drive. I'm not sure if that's legal. I'm not sure you're allowed to drive into someone after after they run from you.
Give me my fucking key. You give me my key. Give me my fucking key. Where's my fucking key, lady? Where's my key, lady?
Very amusing though.
She just fucking ran my car. She just ran into me on the thing. You just fucking ran me. She just did a hit and run.
No, didn't.
I have the whole thing on dash cam.
You see her hit me? Did you see her run me? Get away from each other's vehicle.
Well, that was something. Oh, is someone brake checking a truck again? She's doing it again. Whoa! The speed on that guy going through the red light.